We seem to hit a snag. An avalanche is obstructing our path, and we're going to have to find a way to maneuver around this. This ice is slippery, man. Got Sue, got the boys. There's a little trail here. Someone walked their dog through here, too. Of course, dogs are good at climbing. Here we go. Walking along the edge of graffiti. Oh, it's just this little area. Yeah, I know. There's side things. Wow. This is intense, man. This is ghost hunting and urban exploration. We got both tunnels. Snow, tunnels, wet water, graffiti, dark and damp. This is a real deal. The Oculus has been saying things too. It's kind of like it's sort of trying to help us with the going through the tunnels. The Chinese had died. And Sue's coming. And I mean, the dynamite, mining or tunneling is dangerous, and dynamite had killed some of the Chinese. Some of them may have been buried in the woods of Dutch Flat. The two are pretty connected, so, Dutch Flat had a very big Chinese population, and Chinatown, and a lot of burials, and some were moved back to China. So I feel this place connects. Look at these big beams. This is amazing. Amazing. This is also Lord